welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Hola! Welcome back. So today is another acrylic video, y'all. Okay, so I put some colors together and I was inspired by these cute little gummy bears that I got from Pearl Glitter Shop. And I figured let's just put a bunch of colors together and try to get this look put together. So I am using 6 different double dip products and I'm using them as acrylic. You can also use these as dip, which is great. Don't forget I have a code. You can use Anais10 to save some money. So make sure you take advantage of that and I'll link that down below as well. So I'm starting off with obviously prepping my nails. I am putting them on top of my builder gel extensions, but if you want yours to last, make sure you put them directly on your nail bed. Push your cuticles back, cut them off, buff your nails, and put a dehydrator and a primer. And then you want to glue your nail tips. And I am just putting a wet bead and a small bead. So I finally figured out, I guess, the method. The smaller beads, for me at least, is better just because I want more control and I don't want the big bead to dry up before I can like move it the way I want it to. So I was just messing around with these colors and like attempting kind of like a marbling. It kind of came out, but not really. But you know, I will get better at that. I'm gonna keep watching some other videos that I love on YouTube that show how to do this marbling more effectively. So I will definitely get on that, but let me know down in the comments below what y'all want to see on my channel for 2021. Any suggestions, tips, or anything. I am open to all of it. I have so many people that have come ask me if I can do a specific video for them, and I am on it. Now, I got my first comment that read, "You make acrylic look so easy," and I'm so flattered because I am open about struggling with this acrylic, okay? Like, it's just such a struggle for me sometimes, but I guess I'm getting the hang of it. So thank you to whoever said that comment. I appreciate it. Now, today I figured I would add in some shaping, filing, and all that good stuff because I got my new Melody Susie dust collector in the mail, and that was thanks to all of y'all because you all suggested that I should get the Melody Susie nail dust collector compared to the McCart one, and I took y'all suggestions, so of course I wanted to film that part. And oh my gosh, I love this nail dust collector. Like, compared to my other one, the other one that I had was just like a temporary one, like, you know, I was just starting out and I was just like, I had allergies, so I was just trying to get the cheapest one and just do something that could help me for the meantime. But y'all, I love this one. Like, sometimes I'd be like, where the heck is the dust going? Like, I could not find it. But then when I remove the top, like, all the dust would be in there, so I don't have to worry about it going everywhere. It's splattering everywhere, all the dust going everywhere, because it really collects it all. And I just love this nail dust collector compared to my other one, and it's super affordable. Like, right now I believe it's on sale, but like even the original price is, I believe, is like $80. I got it for $60 because I used a code that one of my nail tuber friends gave me, so I used that code and I got like some money off. But even then, like, this is so affordable compared to McCart. Like, McCart's like $170. Like, come on now, that's too much. So this one's affordable and it does the job the way that I like. So if y'all looking for a new nail dust collector, I definitely recommend that you get that one because it's affordable, very sturdy, and all the dust was gone. So alright, so let's move on to the next piece. I did clean off my nails after I shaped, filed, and buffed them, and then I'm going in with some chunky stones and rhinestones, and I am flash curing that with my UV light, and just finishing my embellishments, and I'll let y'all watch that because I think it's so soothing. y'all, so this is the final look and I love it. I'm not the type of person to be like crazy with colors, but these colors just like came out so pretty. Like, I was really struggling with the ombre, but it really came out so cute. So let me know what y'all think down below. I love the big giant bear on it. I'm gonna do this look again, but with a different color bear and with polygel, so keep an eye out with that. But I was obsessed with this bear. Like, I kept touching it because it was so shiny. I'll link everything that I used down below, but thank y'all so much for watching, for being a part of the DIY Familia. And if you're not a part of the DIY Familia, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. And as always, nos vemos en la próxima.